What's up, you guys? Today we're gonna be playing this game. I forgot what it's called, but let's stop it. Sorry, I had to turn the volume down. As you guys know, this is a phone. Kind of started stuff. I built this. I don't know what it's supposed to be. What? Yeah. Why is that right there? People are glitching in. Why is that right there? What the? Why I built that? Hey, subscribe to my channel. You're gonna like my channel. I think if you tap them, they wave. Map. Let's go to the map. This is my world right now. I don't know what I'm gonna. I'm gonna show you what these guys do right here. Okay, they. I can do it right now. Do this. See, teleport. I'm right here. Hi, 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 hi. Can you see me? I built this world. Yup. Today, I'm gonna get a pet. Take the pets down here. Don't forget, I only have one pet. I think. See, this is the only pet you guys understand, I have. But, first, my favorite color is like red and blue. Should I build a red or blue? Well, he already, when I spawn the dog in, he's gonna have a dog house thing. Dog house. But we're gonna put a little cemetery around it so we can't get through it. It's gonna be big. Take a walk around. I'm gonna give some water. Which isn't water in this game. Gonna give him some water. It's gonna be right here. Now let's get the building. We'll go back up. Now it's right here. Don't have these colors: red and blue and green and brown. Red and blue. Just what I'm gonna do. No, don't want you right there. No, whatever. Don't put you right there, I guess. Hi, doggy. Here's your new home. Good night. What happens? See, that happens if I click on him. See what he does? He barks. Now we're going back to bed. What the heck is you doing over here? Don't wait for me. This is just like Minecraft, but I'm just being honest. It's not. You feel me? It's it's not Minecraft. It's not Minecraft. It's I forgot what it's called. See? Oh my god. Whatever. You guys, I'm just showing you my world right now. This what happens when you click this. You got that kind of stuff. Do you guys see this? There's no survival on this. It's just creative. See? Okay, it's just all creative. Okay. See, what? Yeah. I made it before I started this video. I made a little something so I want to be playing in the video. Jump. As you guys can see, I'm playing on the phone. What does this guys look? What does this look to you guys? Comments down below. What does it look like? It kind of looks like a bird / rainbow mixed up together with rainbow wings. Yeah, that would look like to me. But you guys, I just gotta check something real quick. Okay. A couple more minutes, you guys, and I'll be ending this video. You better not poo poo. You better not poo poo. Yeah, bark. Bark all you want. You better not poo poo. As you guys can see, my thing's dying, and yeah, my dog's gonna stay in here then. But I'm not gonna be able to get out. Okay, guys, I'm just gonna end this video here.
Yeah! Hey!
Shut up. I'm just gonna end this video here. I hope you guys like it.